Y'all gonna love this one. Southwestern chicken. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to go eat me some chicken. I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Y'all see this piece of chicken? Y'all see it? I'm gonna use chicken leg quarters, the best thing you can use in this recipe. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Okay, y'all, let me tell you something. I pulled the skin out because I'm on a weight loss journey. But either way, I don't like skin. And I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna cut off some of that excess fat. I hate the fat on the chicken. I hate it. It's so disgusting to me. Well, you can do what you want to do if you want to eat the fat. That's on you. Then you're going to wash and you're going to clean it real good, y'all. You're going to get all the slime off, okay? Chicken has slime. That's nasty. Make sure you wash it all off. All of it. Okay. Now, we're going to put some garlic powder on there. McCormick's, that's what I use. And some Badia complete seasoning and some Sazon. All right? All right. Just sprinkle it on there. That's all you got to do. Make sure you get both sides, okay? Get both sides. Don't just sprinkle one side. All right. Now I'm going to put 2 capfuls of vegetable oil on there. 2 capfuls. See, I got gloves on, y'all. Okay. I don't want my hands to be orange. All right. Then I'm going to mix it very well, all on both sides. Very well now. Do it good now. Look at my hands. Look at a mess. All right. Now I'm going to add some black pepper, y'all. Black pepper. Sprinkle it on there, and then you're gonna make sure that you blend it very well on both sides. And then I got some tomato sauce. Yes, I do. Tomato sauce, people on chicken, yes. And then I got some rotel. You know what you put in the rotel dip. That's good, y'all. Ooh, Lord, it's good. It's good. And I'm gonna put all the other seasonings that I put on the chicken. I'm gonna put it into the sauce. And you're going to mix it very well. Mix it very well, okay? Do that for me. Now I'm going to add my veggies. Half an onion and a half a bell pepper. And I'm going to also mix that up very well too, okay? I'm telling y'all, this is good. It smells so good. Then you're going to take your crock pot and you're going to use some non-cooking spray. Okay? Get all up in there, even the sides. Then you're going to lay your chicken in there. I use leg quarters. You can use whatever, chicken you want. Okay, then you're going to pour the sauce onto the chicken. Stir it around there evenly. Spread it evenly. Now that you've done that, okay, I'm kind of anal, y'all. Yes, I cleaned my pot. I don't like dirty pots. Put the top on it. Close it up and get ready for the magic to happen. I put it on high. Now also, once it starts bubbling a little bit, I go in there and I put a little chicken powder in there. Makes it taste so good. Look at that chicken. Look at it. So tender. Look at that. Y'all know y'all want some. But you know what though? You better subscribe. You don't want to miss none of my recipes now. I'm telling you, go ahead, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to go eat me some chicken.